Hello all, welcome to Pizza Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see how to convert your 2D image into a 3D character. Before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the Pizza Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now, let's get started. The tool that we are going to use is Kaedim 3D. Here, in order to try this, we have two trials, that is basic and premium. So you can just check this out and you can just choose. Here we have one generation per day. This is having no daily limit. You can generate as many as you want and you can just go for them. Before going to them, like, let us just check the demo for this particular tool. In order to do that, we just need to click on get started, and I have signed up with this and I am on this dashboard now. Here I have few demos which I can try. Let us just firstly go for this toy. So once you just click on this, so this is a 2D image, and here you can see the preview of the 3D over here. And let us open this in a 3D studio to see how this looks like. And here you go with this, you can just see its top view, side view and back view, and from the down you can just see. So you can see that it produces with much detail by just taking the 2D image. By clicking on the show inputs, we can see what kind of input is given to this. So this is the input and this is the output, and we can even go for this show dimensions to see the dimensions, measurements and all. And then we can even just check with other things. Let me just write. So we can even just fill in the color. Let's say that I just wanna choose some color, something like this, and I can just fill it by just clicking on this sections of this particular 3D character, like this. In this way we can create our own character with our own colors or themes. We can even just choose the color effect. Let's say that I'll just choose some glossy one and go to the green color or any color which is okay. Let me write this way. In this way we can even choose the color effect, and also here are some other options which you can use. So let me reset this as of now and go back. Here we have this automatic texturing. Let me just apply my texture and see how this looks like. Okay, this takes us a credit. Let's go back, reset and go back. If I choose this show wireframe, this shows me like how better it can give the details and all. Here we go with this, and then once you're done with this, you can download it or you can share it. Let's go back and check for other things also which are in the demo. So here we have this chair. We can even just open this in the 3D studio and check it from different views. So how this is converting this particular 2D image. So let me just show you the input. This is the input, and this is how it turned it into a 3D character, or let's say that it's a 3D image. And we can even this is very similar in everything. So the wireframe, we can see we can fill in the colors, whatever color you want, you can just fill those colors. Let's say this color, you can just fill it wherever you want in these sections. And we even have one more thing, that is this astronaut. You can even just open this, and here we go. But this doesn't give us much details as it done before with the other things, the shadow part and all. So this is not so accurate with the input. So this is the input and it's not taking much details for this particular thing. And let's go for the wireframe and see. So here it does shows our details and all, but it's not that accurate in details. So if you find that this is something that you're looking for and this is something that you need, you can go to the create, and in order to make a 3D file, like if you want to create a 3D character, you need to use 1 credit which you can buy from this particular site. This is all for today's video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching.